How's it going, guys? Pepperlub Dirt Jump and BMX. So here, let's do a quick bike check. It's my 2011 Dartmoor Quinnie Dirt Jumper, 26-inch frame. It's got fit, low down a faux leather seat, pivotal, alienation post, purple Dartmoor Quinnie frame, Kenda Kinetic 26 by 2.3 tires. KMC full link white chain, black 25 tooth sprocket. I'm hopefully gonna throw my Sabrosa sprocket on there soon. I've got cleared gusset pedals, gusset tubular cranks. I've got an RST dirt suspension fork, black ODI flangeless grips, Tektro brake lever. What do I got? Bengal brake pads, Avid disc. I've got brand new Dydy Villain purple bars, and I got those a couple weeks ago. I got a top load, well, not the bottom load, fun stem I've got on. Odyssey headset. What else? I don't know. Zach rims or Alex rims. Chrome. Same on the front. And just regular hubs. And that's about it. Oh yeah, chain tug. Alright, that's about it. That's my Dartmoor Quinnie 2011. It's a nice bike. Alright, peace and see ya.